learn craft, art and many more with Mahi and Ruhi on Kids Creativity.
Hello friends, let's learn alphabets and easy going.
Letter A.
A for apple, and alligator, elephant. I have apple, will eat. It's plastic. Okay. Bye. Let's go and
Let's have recap. First, draw 2 circles and a big oval. Make 2 curly antennas and little tiny legs. Make eyes and mouth. And it's ready. Let's color it with magic. Wow, it's ready! It has moving eyes. Letter B.
balloon, butterfly, and ball. Wait, I show you what is inside. My books. I love my book. Let's go back.
Let's have recap. You know it's very easy to make a bag. So first, draw a big rectangle. Then put a point and join it with lines like this. Then make a cute little bow. And then make the handle. Let's color it with magic. Wow, it looks pretty. Letter C.
C for cake, cat, candle, car.
Oh, Ruhi wants cake. Hurry up. Here you go. Oh yeah, something is missing. Let's think.
Aha!
Yeah, let's put 4 candles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hooray! Let's blow the candle. Yay! Yum yum! It's so yummy! Hop, hop.
Let's draw cake.
Let's have a recap. First, draw a big rectangle. Then another small rectangle on top. Make some wavy cream. Ooh, I like cream. Make a candle on top. Wow, so bright! Now let's color it with magic. Wow, pretty cake! Letter D.
D for donut. The perfect dozen.
Letter D. D for dress.
My dress.
Wow, so pretty. Ring around the rosy, yay. Walking like a princess, la la la.
With your donut.
Let's have a recap. Make a very big oval and inside it make a small oval. Make 2 points and join it with wavy line as cream is dripping. Make some small circle sprinkles. Wow, so pretty! They're so small. Now let's color it with magic. It's a funny donut.
So friends,
This is end of the video. If you like our video, subscribe.
like.
So thank you friends. Bye bye.
Bye bye.